so today we're looking at the latest Walmart beauty box, and this is a quarterly subscription service that is basically free. You pay a small fee for shipping, but that is it, and it gets you some really cool stuff. So let's see what we get. This is obviously less like high-end brands than you get with Birchbox, but in some ways that's like really cool because you can actually buy them easier. So the theme is Celebrate Your Beauty. It's cute. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's see what we got. Okay, so there's some lipstick. This is Maybelline. It's called Almond Rose. Oh, that's a pretty color. There you go. I think this will be good. I like it. It's nice and smooth. And yeah, something I'll definitely wear. Okay, then we have Aveeno. This is a sheer hydration lotion. So there you go. You can always use, it's so dry here in Utah, I can always use the lotion. And then we have Aquaphor. This is ointment body spray. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Okay. Then we have, yeah, it's weird. It feels kind of, I don't know. It feels a little bit heavy, but hopefully it's really getting into those dry areas. Huh. It's different. I've never seen ointment body spray before. Okay, then we have, this is from Dove. This is a body wash, pear and aloe vera. So that's interesting scent combination. We have also from Maybelline, Shaping Lip Liner. This is supposed to pair with the lipstick. This is a shaping lip liner. It says, I guess it's clear? Huh, interesting. And then we have a sample packet of, no, this is a mask. It looks like Purifying Peeling Gel. Purifying Brightening. This is from SOAE, I guess it's called. There you go. And then there's some coupons in here. So I'd say this is pretty good. Pretty good for free. Yeah. Let me know what you think of this box. And let me know what you think of this box. And let me know what kind of moisturizer do you like to use when you have really dry skin. Put it in the comment section. I'd like to know. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later.